Now we are in front of Kumari house. In Nepali we call Kumari Ghar. Kumari means virgin or the small child. We have a culture, tradition that a lady is chosen as a goddess and she is worshipped as a next form of Parvati. Parvati is the wife of Shiva, and today is one important festival. Now we are waiting to the Kumari. Kumari is coming out and she will come on the back side of the priest. She is not allowed to walk because she is the goddess, and Hindu people, they also worship earth as a mother goddess. So one goddess cannot step to another goddess, so she is carried on the back side of the body. And after that she will sit in the chariot, and that chariot is carried by the men, and they will take this Kumari goddess to that temple, and there she will look the mother goddess there, and people will worship there the Kumari and that chariot, and in this way we will finish today's festival, and again she will come back here. And she has a forehead, one eye in the forehead also, and that eye is famous because that eye is a symbol of knowledge. And she is not normally the Kumari doesn't go out from this house, but she is allowed to go out 13 times in a year, and this is the one day where she go out. She will be a goddess in this post until she will get puberty or the monthly cycle. After that she will go out from here, she will go back her home, and next Kumari will select. According to Hindu culture, that period is impure. So if she is impure, and she will be not a Kumari, she will be not a goddess. So when she will get that puberty menstruation, she will be not able to be a goddess, and she will be removed from here. This is especially in a Hindu culture, and every woman, when she will be a menstruation period, and that period is 5 days period, in that period she is not allowed to go to the temple, or she cannot cook, she cannot allowed to go inside the kitchen, even she is not allowed to touch the water also. So at that time they are untouchable. She will not allowed to sleep with husband also. So and in a remote area, just like in a hill area, many women are dying every year because they are not allowed to sleep in the house, and they are sleeping outside of the house in a cow shed or in a small cave. And sometimes the lion or tiger also attacks, and sometimes dacoit and criminal men also attacks, and that type of situation also we have, and many NGOs are working because that thing is not good. At least they must be allowed to sleep inside the house. She's coming.
Om